Imagine stepping into a fairy tale where every details of your dress whisper elegance and magic. Stay with me as I unravel the tutorial video of this beautiful, elegant dress of a princess bustier with a Basque waistline. Hi people, welcome back guys. Without wasting much of your time, these are the materials used for the dress that you saw earlier. We have the lining, we have the interface, the anti lace, and the ankara itself. Moving down to the cutting, the lining to cut out the down part, the fish shape, the mermaid dress that we see earlier. Then we will go in measuring our length, our full length minus the half length. Then we mark it out. Then we go in measuring our waistline, waistline divided by 4. Then adding 3 inches allowance to the side. Also, we go in to measure our hip line. To determine our hip line, you have to measure from your waistline to the hip line, which is about 26 or 23, depending on the person's measurement. Here now we have 26. Then our hip is 40. 40 divided by 4, that's 10 inches plus your 3 inches sewing allowance. Then we go into our above knee. Then our above knee, to determine our above knee measurement, we have to minus 5 or 6 from your hip line. Then at 3 inches allowance for the 3 inches allowance. Then from there we have to slash it down to give us our mermaid cuff. After then, we cut out our measurement material. Then we use it to cut out the back. We cut out the back by measuring, by adding 2 inches allowance for the zipper allowance, and also for the, then going down to the above knee measurement, instead of the 2 inches allowance, we go in by 1 inch allowance. Then we snatch it to the zipper allowance. Then also, in order for we to have that mermaid cuff, we slash the measurement down to the full length itself. Then after measuring, we cut it out. Then we place the lining on the material itself to cut out the front and the back part. Then moving down to the upper part, we use our pattern paper to cut out our main body measurements, which include our shoulder, our bust line, our under bust area, and also our half length, adding our sewing allowance to it. Then we went in into for us to get that exact style that you saw in it. For you to get the exact style that you saw, you have to minus 4 from the half length. We are going to join it later on. We have to minus 4. From there we measure our shoulder, minus 4 up at the upper part. Then measure our shoulder, slashing our shoulder, our armhole measurement. Then we measure our bust to bust, that's nipple to nipple point, which is 4 inches. 4 inches, adding which is 8 inches, add our half-inch allowance already. So guys, if you're finding this tutorial easy for you, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Back to the tutorial itself. Then after then, we measure our from the nipple to nipple there at the other under bust. We measure 2.5 inches at the other side. Then we measure both on the under bust and at the half length itself. Then join it together to give it the curve, the bust size itself. Then after then, because we are having a basque waistline, we have, if our half length measurement is about 16, to get that basque waistline we have to make it like 23 or 21, just to get our basque waistline. For my client here, to get this accurate measurements, I use 21 because our full length is just 56. So guys, we will measure. After the proper measurement, we cut out our pattern paper. After cutting out our pattern paper, we'll place it on our material itself. After placing our material itself, then we use that same pattern paper to cut out our back pattern. Our back pattern, to get our back pattern we have to measure 2 inches zipper allowance. Don't forget guys, 2 inches zipper allowance at the back line before measuring your normal body measurement on it. So we have our shoulder is 15 inches. We have our bust is 36, because the back is not going to have that minus 4 that we did at the front side. So we measure our half length, then put our normal body measurement, which is our bust. Our waist is 28, while our bust is 36. Then to get that measurement, we have to measure like we are using a straight dart measurement. After sewing the down part, this is what it gives to us, and the upper part. Then we cut out all this crepe to make this basque, this corset line that you see on it. So hope you like what you see. So bye guys, thank you for following me. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye.